Hello. So today in this video, this is for the lettering project, how to do even boxes for a demonstration. So when we're trying to make these, our names with even boxes from edge to edge, how do we do for that? I think we have to do some planning. So let's take a look. I have a piece of paper here and I'm going to do a name, Max Katz. MAX is 3 letters, so 3 letters have to fit evenly. CATS is 4 letters. I decided I want to make the word max really big and then the cats a little smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and put a baseline here. So MAX is the top and bottom baseline. It's right there. With 3, you can just maybe you can measure it and decide how many inches each one should be using inches or centimeters. Or maybe you just do it by eye. Let's try. What about this? MAX. It looks like this one's thinner and this one's thicker. Let's check it out. This is about 5. This is about 5, but this is about 7. So it looks like maybe just scooting it over. That's why drawing it light until you get it right is probably a good idea. So I didn't know I'm just going to scoot this over a little bit, right? And then it doesn't have to be perfect, but just do your best. MAX. That looks pretty even. I'm going to give it a try. That's about 5.5. That's about 5.5. That's about 5.5. That's pretty good. Good. That's about 3 even spaces for max. How about 4? Well, 4 is great because 4 is basically 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can divide an even number in half. So it could be 2 and 2. Now that this is split about in half, then this can be split in half. Now that makes it easier. CATS. Max Katz. So how about something harder like Tivon Summerson? A smaller box for the punctuation mark, VON. So I'm going to say equals 4. Can you see that? I'll do it this way. And Summerson, SU 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, that's 9. That's a lot. Okay, I'm going to pick a piece of paper that's a little bit longer here. Okay, and then with I want Summerson has so many letters. I'm going to make it smaller as well. I don't know, maybe I'll make it about the same. So I'm going to divide up my first and last name. 4 we did before. Oh, except for there's a little extra. So maybe I'll scoot it over just a little bit. And then this needs to be 2. And this needs to be 2, but there's a little extra one right in there. So it'll be like T, there's a little extra, TV, oh yeah, VON. N's are kind of tricky, aren't they? Come on. Now, how to do the Summerson. Wow, that's 9. And if I like to think of it as my name, Stephanie, starts with 9. It's 9 letters. So I like to think of it as 4 and 4 with 1 in the middle. But you can think of it any way you want to, dividing things by 9. So I'm going to go with the middle is 1. And then I'm going to divide this in half. And this will make 4 on this side, just like we did before. 4 there and 4 there. Half. And you can do that with 7 too. 7 would be like 3. 1 in the middle. And then you go ahead and each of those things, you make your S. And I'll do the backward, the other areas of it. S, U. And then go ahead and finish that from there. Summerson. Okay. So I hope that gives you some ideas of how to split up your boxes. Because once you split up your boxes, then you can write them. And then our next video is going to be